Crack. But wait, does this cause arthritis? Here isn't bones rubbing together. It's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid popping when the joint is stretched. Multiple studies, including one famous case where a doctor cracked the knuckles of only one hand for over 60 years, found no increase in arthritis compared to other hand. At worst, cracking too often might cause temporary swelling or weaker grip, but not arthritis. So relax, the only real problem is that it annoys people around you. Arthritis, not from knuckle cracking. Monday myth smashed.